Hello inventors. So in this video we will discuss about some new features that can help the beginners and experts. So once you open the MIT App Inventor, so once you click on the new project, so you will see here two things extra like toolkit and theme. Now we know that project name is our app name. So suppose my app name is TCB new app. Okay, now what is toolkit have the four options. Okay, so beginners, so once you select the beginners, so you will get the only few components like layouts, button and all that things. So you will not get confused about the components. Okay, for the intermediate you will get more component, for the experts you will get everything, but for the custom you can choose the components. Like see, components you can choose. I just want to work with the user interface, layout, and built-in is like control, logics and storage like this, and just click on the OK and let's okay. But make sure there's a theme option. There's a classic, device default, black title and dark. So I'm going to use here the classic and OK. Now if you want to change that toolkit or theme, okay, so you can do with the project properties. So you will see here we have only four options here, three options: storage, layout, because we have customized that overall view. Okay, now let's go to the project properties and you will see here the theme option here, general. In the general you will see the custom, so you can select it to the beginner like this. You will see the all components in the left side. Once you select the expert, so you'll see the all components are here like this. So that's the amazing thing that the MIT App Inventor updated. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.